Hello kids, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will do a comprehension. So let's start. Here we have a paragraph. Let's read it and we have to answer some questions. Reading a paragraph and answering the questions related to it is known as comprehension. Let's start the reading. It is a sunny day today. The sun is shining bright. Colorful flowers are blooming everywhere. Many children are playing in the park. A boy is flying kite. The two boys are riding bicycles. There are two dogs in the park too. There are many apples on the trees. Okay students, now we will answer some questions related to the paragraph. It is a rainy day today. Is it true or false? It is false. According to the given passage, the sun is shining bright today. This sentence is true or false? Yes, this is true. No flowers are there in the park. This sentence is false because there are so many flowers in the park. Many children are playing in the park. This sentence is true because according to the passage, we can see many children in the park. Two boys are flying kites. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false because only one boy is flying a kite. Two boys are riding bicycles. Yes, this one is true because according to the passage we have just read, there are two boys riding a bicycle. There are four dogs in the park. This sentence is false because there are only two dogs. There are two apple trees in the park. This sentence is true because we have read in the paragraph that there are two apple trees. Thank you for watching.